we're going to lose the tools and set up a skateboard using nothing but nature. That's not right, guys. I don't know why we use tools at all, to be honest. The power of nature is beyond us. All right, guys, we are very excited to be back here at the Fremont Skate Park with all of you skateboarders out here at Fremont Skate Park. Today's video is sponsored by Norboard and their new website, becomeaframer.com. And they have sent us this box. What could it be? Bubble wrap? Yes, please. Many of you guys may know, many of you may not know, I am a professional builder. I built many houses. I'm an all-star with all kinds of tools. This is like the best hammer I think I've ever seen, ever. So there is a crisis here in America. We need more framers. There's a massive problem. The framers of America are getting older and there's not new framers coming in and replacing them. So the actual industry of building houses, which is what a framer is, they set up the frame of the house. You're like, Aaron, we know it's a framer, they frame the house and then the construction comes in, etc. Maybe you didn't know, maybe you did know. My brother does this for a living. That's why I'm so good at building houses. Training and apprenticeships are available and some of them are free. So go ahead, skip the college debt and get out the house and build you some houses. Get it? I mean, you could learn to build a house and then you could build your own house. Becomeaframer.com. You can learn how to have an incredible career and start making really good money within 3 months. If that desk job, if that behind the office job is not for you and you'd rather be swinging the most incredible hammer in the world, all you gotta do is go to the link in the description below, becomeaframer.com/Braille, and you can sign up and you can also win our favorite place ever, Home Depot gift cards. I want to hit the lens so bad, but I know I shouldn't. I shouldn't. Into today's video, which is very funny, is a challenge. What do you call this challenge, Gabe?
Set up a skateboard with no tools challenge.
It's called How to Set Up a Skateboard with No Tools Challenge, which is not a how-to because it's a challenge. Gabe's whole idea with this is Aaron, that's me, goes around and finds tools in nature and sets up a skateboard, then does a trick at nearly every obstacle in here, which is not really every obstacle because we're gonna do what we can do, okay? I have a couple questions before we start this video. Gabe, here are my questions. Does this qualify as nature?
Yes.
Okay. Does this qualify as nature?
No. That's man-made.
Does this qualify as nature?
No.
Okay. So you're really going for this. This is the easy part. Please don't blow it up and into my arm hair. Okay. Wait, is this part of nature?
Yeah.
This is one of the worst, best ideas we've ever had. This part is just normal, right? Gabe was like, should we leave the wheels on? And I was like, no, dude, go all out. Oh no, these are like really not good wheels. Oh no, this is not nature. I'm already cheating already.
You gotta do it in the dirt.
In the what?
In the dirt.
What?
The dirt.
Nobody knows what he's saying. Oh, weird. Okay, weird. So weirdly enough, the bearings didn't even need to be pushed in there. They literally just slid right in. That's not right, guys. That's not right. That's not how skateboard wheels work. I feel like this challenge is gonna be pretty easy.
You know about the bolts on the board though?
Ain't no thing, dude. You know I'm from Montana, right?
It's true.
I grew up in the darkness and I thrive in wilderness. I'm like that guy Bear Grylls, only tougher. Okay, let's go. Wait, I got an idea, hold on.
What was that tool for, Dan? Huh? What do you use that tool for?
Give me that.
No, you don't get stickers unless I figure out what you use that tool for.
Nothing.
Troy, for real. You're a man of integrity. Was that tool used in any way?
What? Tell him the truth, Troy.
Was that tool used?
No, I don't think so.
Dan, did you see that tool being used?
This is a screwdriver.
Okay.
I also got some exclusives for you.
Oh no, we can't use that, dude.
I got hell of them.
What? No, I want those then. I want to keep them. Well, this is the easiest part. What are you doing? How aren't you gonna use it?
You gotta put one on there. Wait, no, that's yours. That's yours. Okay. Just put that in your back pocket or something and find it later and be excited about it. And then maybe cry in the bathtub. Like I do every other night when I think about Lance.
Crikeys, mate. This is the easiest part of the board setup right here is the stickers, mate. Okay.
So you have complete faith that you're gonna be able to skate most obstacles in here and not have your board fall apart?
Yes.
I think he's full of baloney.
Watch this. Actually,
you can't use it. You can't use this.
What?
No.
This is nature.
No, it's not.
Shut up.
You can't use this.
Okay.
You gotta use a stick if you want to grind it down.
I'm coming back for this. Okay. Let's just look around nature and see what we can find.
Oh, look.
Oh, hey, what's this?
Oh!
Little do you know that in Montana, this is how we just skate. It's working really well.
I kind of like that.
74 days later. My arms are burning. Ow! Splinter. We didn't think about that. We taught the Ninja Turtles and now he's here.
And this is
Anyway.
Shredder.
Bear, let's go, son. I need you. Come on. Come on, boy. Yes. What do you think, buddy? What do you think, buddy?
That's nice. That's going well.
Dude, that's good. I don't know why we use tools at all, to be honest.
It's like the caveman board setup.
What's up, buddy bear?
Oh!
Stuck at the skate park, naked. You must put together a board and skate every obstacle. Okay. All right. Oh, wait, look at this rock. This might be sharp enough to cut it.
It's a little bit of a walk.
We might never make it back. Wait, I got an idea.
No.
Come on, don't you know how to make an arrowhead?
There.
Yeah, that's pretty sharp. Ow, I almost cut myself. Straight up, feel that.
Oh, that's pretty good.
See?
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Oh.
Dude, legit.
Majestic bear.
Straight up working so good though. Did you think this was gonna be harder?
No.
Just that part.
Yeah.
Oops. It's like the equivalent of your am grip cut out in the Stone Age.
Wow.
First try. Is that good? Was that a good first try? This is nature at its finest. If this is Montana, I would have built my whole house out of this, and then I'd have lived in it with my entire village.
How? How did you do that?
Go ahead, mates.
How did you do that?
With the 2 rocks.
Oh, you grinded it off.
No.
Cut it. Cut it, mate.
He's from Montana. I'm not surprised.
I don't know what he's doing.
I don't know if these are gonna be strong enough. We're gonna give it our best shot.
Oh, you're trying to poke through, huh?
Yeah. Oh, dude, come on. The power of nature is beyond us. I don't know if I want to do 2 bolts because I'm not gonna be able to tighten them that tight.
Yeah. And then if one falls off, you're done.
It's true. If I do 4 bolts, I could have 3 fall off and I'm not done. Okay.
Use the rock to hammer it in.
Just wait. First try. Oh, that's what I need, another flat rock like this to get the...
No. That's the timing?
Yeah, of course. Ow! Dude, shockingly, this is working surprisingly well. I have a lot of faith that the wheels are gonna stay on. Keeping the trucks on the board, I think, is gonna be the difficult part. Although I just may be able to rig something up here. Oh yeah, that one's golden. Straight up, that's working. That's straight up working. Oh my gosh. Ow. My fingers are gonna be bleeding after this. That's fine, right?
I mean, it's as good as you're probably gonna get
You
it.
think so?
Yeah.
Nailed it. In a shocking turn of events, a stick for a screwdriver works really well. Later on, after we're done with this, I'm gonna use the other part of the actual tool and see if the stick will just hold it. Cause look at this, it's like really working.
What do you think, Aussie Dan?
Seems like you've got it squared away.
Dude, I think we're done. I think we natured this. Actually, you know what? I got a great idea.
I don't quite understand what you're trying to do here.
Trying to bend it so it just bends in and doesn't need to be tight. And it just oops, clamps down, yeah. Yeah, those trucks, that's gonna be scary. It's gonna be a scary ride. Okay, well, it's a pretty good board. Not bad, right?
We've skated worse.
I have skated worse. This is scarier than the glass board, Gabe.
Really?
Yes. The trucks could fall off. Oh!
Pretty safe.
Pretty safe. I mean, the trucks are still on there.
Wow. Okay, manual pad. We got the bank. That counted, right?
Yeah, I guess.
More or less? What do you mean, yeah, I guess? Oh!
That sounds so weird. Drop in here.
No.
You do at least have to touch this ball.
Yeah, of course. Good luck! Whoa! Whoa! We didn't know it's the world's worst bearing. Ow! I broke my thumb and 2 fingers. Snake ball.
Dang it. I made this challenge too easy.
I know you did. There's a lot of obstacles left though. Ledge?
Yep. Whoa, watch yourself.
Think?
Yep.
The gap is not an obstacle.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
an absence of obstacle.
Oh, whatever you say. Whoa! You see him wobbling.
They're very wobbly, yeah.
All right, you got these ledges.
These ledges, that pyramid. The world's worst line. Let me try and get a better trick. Whoa! Oh no!
Uh-oh! Lost one.
For real? The hardest part is not that the trucks are not attached to the board, it's how bad the bearings are.
There's one gone. Oh, well, yeah, I guess you just put it back on. But,
With nature.
wait, hold up. Wait. You can't put it back together.
What do you mean?
It has to make it all the way through without falling apart.
Oh, dude!
Yeah, you can't put it back together.
All right.
You have to skate every obstacle without all of it falling off. Those trucks are loose. Nice.
With your new rules, I realized I gotta go over here and do this stuff. Otherwise, all this stuff is gonna be falling off.
Yeah. You also got to skate the pool too.
In there? Yeah. Easy. This is the hardest thing.
The 5?
Yeah.
Why?
The bearings are so bad. You don't get it.
That went well.
Please tell me I got doubles with that rollerblader.
Oh, the hubba. No slide?
I got your back.
There you go. Well, there's the flat ground.
This one's for you, dude.
Okay.
That counted, right?
Yeah, I guess. You already did a kickflip to fake you somewhere.
Oh, so I need to do another trick?
Maybe.
He said I could do an ollie.
Very good.
He didn't like my kickflip, but he liked my ollie. Should we get out of here?
Yeah.
We got a lot of
Anything else?
obstacles left, yeah.
Oh, a lot left?
Yeah.
There you go. And the gaps.
No way.
I'm exhausted.
Whoa. Well, I think you crushed my challenge.
This one's for you, Gabe. Ow! Well, I think that's it, right? Let's tray revert it.
Oh, that might be hard.
Are you challenging me?
Yes. That was so weird. It's like I saw the board jiggle and then revert.
Well, don't challenge a Montana boy to use nature.
It's only one piece of hardware lost.
Again, a huge thanks to Norboard and becomeaframer.com. Check it out, link in the description below. You guys are the absolute best. Let's get some more framers in the world and build more houses. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. It's your time. Go to brailleskateboarding.com